saw one by the pool.
Yep, if you do, take it. Yep, and then it has a little instructions. It's fun.
Where is Amy? Oh, by the Christmas decoration.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
I need help selecting my one. I need help selecting.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the marshmallow bed.
Welcome to the marshmallow bed. My forehead is so shiny, look at that.
Shiny. It's because you're an expensive clarity cut diamond.
That
You're
was actually
extra
really
shiny.
interesting. That was actually
Okay.
really interesting. I haven't filmed a lot of this morning.
It was interesting, the diamond talk.
It was an interesting diamond talk. We only went for the free gift and then it ended up being really interesting.
Can learn a lot in a day. what I've
Yeah,
learnt
we've
today.
learnt about whales, dolphins, glaciers, diamonds, gemstones. This has turned out to be an educational trip so far.
Yeah, Alaska.
Alaska. So Amy's having her little, I'm an old lady, I need to sit down and read or nap or whatever Amy requires.
No, I'm trying not to nap.
And I just thought that I would show whoever's watching, which, let's face it, will be mum and dad, because nobody else will want to sit through this video. So,
Adorable.
Dad, if you're watching this,
You're adorable.
you're adorable for a start. And also, if you're watching this, it's probably because you're watching the unedited version.
We felt like we missed you a
And-
lot yesterday because we saw Captain Hook and that chin reminded us of
The chin
He's like,
was
"Daddy!"
very reminiscent. Amy nearly went and hugged him.
Hi, Daddy.
It was reminiscent.
And the hair.
The hair,
Curly hair.
the long hair.
Dad used to have long hair, didn't he, when he was a kid?
Well, yeah, true.
Before you were born.
Before I was born.
And
Before
me,
you were
really.
born.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just having a little relax because we've literally been on the go all day. It's actually surprisingly busy on a Disney cruise ship on a sea day.
There's loads to do.
There is loads to do. I'm actually a little bit surprised because I thought there'd be more downtime, but actually there's
I
not
know,
at all.
me too.
I think Amy's a bit. I didn't force you to go. I didn't force you to go to anything today.
Except having my pictures taken with the princesses.
You loved it. You loved it more than me. I was the one that
I
looked
did.
awkward.
I came into my own with Tiana because she's my favourite.
You did.
Until Belle gets here, anyway.
I can't remember if Belle's on the ship. I think she is. I can't remember.
Better fucking be.
We'll
I've got
find
these
you Belle
books
one
to
day.
show her.
You bought books to show her. Am I going to be stood there while you're talking to Belle about books? I mean, to be honest with you, I'm just going to tell her, like, this is the girl you want to talk to about books, because she owns all of the books.
Not all of them.
She has
There's still lots to
better
buy.
selection than the bookshop in Belle's Village, I'm sure. Probably more books than that's in the Beast's library.
Not quite. I think he's got 3 more than me.
3 more.
So I can buy 3 more.
What, in this trip?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just chilling on the bed, and
It's a marshmallow.
this is the view. I don't know if you can even see the view from the bed. And yeah, that's our shopping that we've done already.
And some freebies for Mum.
The view from the... Shh! Don't tell her they're freebies.
She wants just
Oh
free
wait, yeah,
stuff.
no, we're allowed to tell her that she wants free stuff.
Oh, by the way, once you've turned that off, I can tell you how much is being charged to my credit card. I found it out whilst I was on the loo.
Let's press stop.
dreaming about what it might feel like when those lights rise in the sky.